Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll show you how to use Microsoft Office files on your Chromebook. So you can get Microsoft Office files on your Chromebook just by emailing yourself the copies. For example, I have an email and I email myself one Excel spreadsheet and one Word doc just on a test basis. Now you can click on here. Once you open the email, then it's going to download the files on your computer or on your Chromebook. For example, either here, or if you click here, then these two will open directly on Google Doc, and from where you can also edit or update your Microsoft Office files. So instead of opening from here directly, I would just click here and here to put them on my Chromebook. And then once you do that, you have to just go to your files folder. So if you open your tray, and then here you have to look for files. So let's just take a look where we have the files, and here you can see that the files. And if you click on here after opening the launcher, then just click on files, and then once you download it, those two should be on under download section. So if you just go there, then you can see that you have the Excel here and the Word doc here. So I'm just going to open Excel. Let's click on it, and you can see that this just opening as a basic editor for Office files. But here, if you do any changes, for example, if you're inputting something, you'll not be able to save it. Let me just try something, and then file, and you see that it's not letting you save directly from here. So what you want to do instead, that you just want to open as Microsoft Office files as a Google Google Docs or Google Sheets for Excel. So let's click on here, and then you can see that it's converting to Google Docs, and then here you have a Google Docs file, and you can see that it's just opened the same thing as Google Docs. Now here you can do basically everything as you do on Microsoft Excel. So once you're done editing and everything, so the way you can save it again as Microsoft Excel is that if you go to files, then if you go to download, then you can see that it's giving you a few options, and one of them is download as Microsoft Excel. So if you just click here, and then what happens, this is going to download as Excel again. And if you just go to the folder, then you see that there's another copy here, and then let's just open that again. And here you have your edited copy of Microsoft Excel, or you can just email yourself the Excel copy. Now, if your computer, if you're working on a Word document, the process is the same. So what you have to do, you have to just open the Word document, and then it is going to open on your browser. And then here, what you can do after doing the changes, you can just go to files, and then if it's asking you to save as Google Docs, then you can just save as Google Docs, and then you can just edit from there. And then again, once you have edited, then you can just save from Google Docs to Microsoft Word directly, which is going to be the same way I showed you before. But let's just wait a second here. And from here, if you click on file, and then you can see that if you go to download, then it's giving you the option to save as Microsoft Word. So basically that's the same procedure. Now, depending on your Chromebook, when you click it, if it doesn't open on this type of file right here, which says basic editor for Office files, that means that you may not have the extension I have. Then it might open directly as Google Docs or Google spreadsheet, and the process is the same. Once you finish editing, then you have to just download as Microsoft Office Word or Microsoft Office Excel. So basically that's how you can save, edit, or modify any Microsoft Office documents on your Chromebook. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.